In this video, I will give you a step-by-step plan for making money with ChatGPT and ClickBank for free. I'm not going to charge you anything. Everything is going to be free. Before we start, welcome to That AI Ninja, the channel where we teach you to generate easy money. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you're updated whenever there are new and trending money-making strategies. So without further ado, let us proceed to step 1. So our first step is to research which niche is the most popular and which is the most profitable. So you're going to see the top 10 niches, and you can actually choose any of these niches because these are pretty good ones. And you can actually make a lot of money in any of these 10. You can see the first one is supplements. So these are usually weight loss supplements, and this is the most popular and profitable one right now. You can see that the second one is diet and weight loss. So you can actually sell diets and weight loss courses or different informational products, and you're going to also make a lot of money in this niche. The third is dental health. So you can sell different products related to dental health and different products that are probably unusual informational products. And a lot of people are interested in these types of products: marriage and relationships, green products and energy, e-business and e-marketing, and home and garden. So these are the 10 niches into which you can enter at any time. And you're going to have a good number of customers and people interested in this stuff. As a result, I would personally choose to enter these markets. So the second step is to find the product that you're going to promote. So we are going to choose, let's say weight loss is the second one. So we're going to promote something related to weight loss. So there are a lot of people in the world that are struggling to lose weight. They're searching for different ways to do it, and you can actually go and offer them affiliate products that are going to help them reach their goals, and you're going to make money. So that is how affiliate marketing works. So once we found our niche, we went to clickbank.com and created our 100% free account. If you don't know what is ClickBank, it is basically one of the biggest affiliate networks that you can go and sign up and promote different products and make money for promoting those products. So you can go and click on Start Here, and you can go in and create your ClickBank account. Once you create your ClickBank account and you log in, you're going to see a page that looks like this. Now you can go and choose which actually offers you want to promote. We have chosen health and fitness. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to see that we have 733 different products that we can promote in the health and fitness niche and make money. I'm going to explain to you guys how this works. So first thing that you want to look at is this gravity score. So what is gravity score? This is the number of people that are promoting these products, and not just promoting ghost products. They are promoting the products that actually sell, so they're making money from this product. And this number is really high. I wouldn't promote any product that is below. You can also see the amount of money that you can expect to make per conversion. This is how, for each people that buy this product, you can expect to make a lot of money. So what we want to do next is we want to check out what is this product about and promote the hottest new #1 diet offers. So this is a weight loss product. We can go and see what this product looks like. You can see that they're promoting the supplement product that has 3 different options. If they buy this one, you're going to get an 85% commission on these $1.59. But if they buy, for example, 6 bottles for $1.39 per bottle, that would be $234. So that is how much money you can expect to make with a decent product. So the first thing you should consider is this gravity score. What then is gravity score? It is the quantity of people who are actively marketing these goods, not just phantom goods, but goods that genuinely generate revenue in order to increase their chances of success. And it's a really high number. You can see the amount of money you may expect to make per conversion, as well as which products I wouldn't recommend. This is how you may anticipate to make a lot of money for each person who purchases this goods. The next thing that we need to do is click, promote, and get our unique affiliate link. So make sure to enter your ClickBank nickname right here to get the sale and click on Create Hop Link. So this is going to be our unique affiliate link. So copy this affiliate link. Our third step is to promote our affiliate link on Quora. If you're unfamiliar with Quora, it's one of the biggest networks where you can post various questions and receive responses. Thus, why are we utilizing Quora to generate income through ChatGPT and ClickBank? The answer is that a huge variety of people frequent this website. You can check this website's related websites to see how many visitors it receives. As a result, you can see that this website received over 777 million views in November and over 802 million views in January. So you have a large number of potential customers that are ready to purchase your goods. So what are we going to do now is we want to go on Quora and search for different questions that people that are searching how to lose weight would ask. So we are going to type in the search bar, for example, weight loss, and you can see how many people are searching for the stuff. As you can see the question, what are tips for weight loss? And you can see there are almost 3,500 answers, and 2,400 people are following this question. So what is this telling us? A lot of people are searching for different weight loss methods that can help them lose weight. And you can actually go and promote this product, which is basically a supplement to losing weight. And people are going to be interested in this product because you're targeting the right people. You're promoting the product to the right people that are interested in these products. They're probably going to buy it from you. So once they buy the product, you're going to make money. Now, usually people are going to ask me, but how should I answer these questions? So you can go and click on the answer right here. And we want to answer this question, what are tips for weight loss? But you don't know how to answer it. That is where ChatGPT jumps in. So what we want to do is we want to say, for example, write best plan to lose weight fast. And we're going to tell the chat to GPT to do it for us. Now we want to give an actual answer to the people that are asking us questions. So as I said, a lot of people are interested in losing weight. They want to lose it fast using supplements or different methods. And we're going to give them first this response on how to lose weight. So how are we going to do this? We are going to copy this text. I'll demonstrate to you what to do before pasting it into Quora. First, visit the Quillbot website. Now, our website rewrites your language to provide alternative wording because utilizing ChatGPT might occasionally cause issues. Thus, what we want to do is go and rephrase it by using Quillbot. Let's go and copy the first and then the second parts. I'm going to show you guys how Quillbot works. So I'm going to click on paraphrases. And what is going to happen is Quillbot is going to change the text. They're going to rewrite it. So you can see that we have changed the text with just one click. Let's copy this text right here and go back to Quora and answer the question. And next thing that we want to do is we want to go and copy this affiliate link, come back right here and say click here for the best weight loss supplement, and to put our affiliate link right here. So I'm going to click right here and click on the link, enter URL, and click on add. Now when someone clicks on our affiliate link right here, what is going to happen here is we're going to send them to the product that we are trying to promote. And when someone buys the product from us, you're going to get paid. That is how this works. So for example, on average, as I said, you can expect to make around $234. And this is really easy to do because you have ChatGPT that knows everything that can help you guys create content on whatever niche you have. And you also don't need to worry about selling the product or doing any of that sort of stuff, because ClickBank is going to do it for you. So you're basically just getting customers and getting paid. That is how this works. That is how you can easily make money using ChatGPT and ClickBank in 3 simple steps. So guys, make sure to like this video and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any questions about how to make money using ChatGPT and ClickBank. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.